Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are keeping well. Stay at home and stay safe. Okay? Keep studying, keep doing well. This is my suggestion for all of you. Our goal is to learn more and make our life better. Make our future better. Make our future bright. Okay? So, be happy and enjoy learning. Okay? Now, we are going to begin. Already we have begun. We are going to continue with the same chapter, early humans. Early means the ancient time people. Okay? How they used to live, how the life there was, and how they are enjoying life or how they are struggling life. Everything is mentioned here. What were their struggles and all this. So what we are going to see today is Mesolithic period and Neolithic period. Okay, so cooperate with us and learn better. Today we are going to see Mesolithic period, that is from 10,000 to 8,000 BCE, before Common Era, and Neolithic period is 8,000 to 4,000 BCE, before Common Era, ACE, after Common Era. Okay, I had sent one YouTube link. I hope you might have understood all about BCE and ACE. Okay, so we are going to begin the chapter. Stone Age is divided into three periods. I told you Paleolithic period you have already finished. Today we will continue with Mesolithic period and Neolithic period. Okay, these two. Learn these two and we'll understand what happened during this time. Look at this first picture. Tool making. What tool is making? Making from stones. Here it is the tools, different tools of Stone Age. This is the people how they used to live. See, early humans. Some are coming from the forest, bringing what? Some animals for cooking, maybe. Fire is burning already. Okay. So that is what the early humans used to live, my dear students. Now the modern era has come, so we'll find difficult to understand. But still let us understand how these early humans they used to live. Now, Mesolithic period. What is this Meso means? Meso is a Greek word. Okay, dear students, Meso means Greek word. Coined from Greek word, Meso means middle. Meso means middle Stone Age. Mesolithic period is also known as the Middle Stone Age. It lasted from 10,000 to 8,000 BCE, I told you. And this is why they call this age as a Middle Stone Age. Okay, keep in mind, it's coined from Greek word Meso. Meso means Middle Stone Age. Now, Mesolithic period was between which era? Like between Paleolithic period and Neolithic period. It was between 10,000 to 8,000 BCE. And during this time, my dear student, transitional phase took place. Transitional means change took place. Changeover. What are the changes took place? We will see in the next point. Look at this. In this time, during this time, this is also called Middle Age, I told you. Climate change took over. Climate change took over, my dear students. Climate change. What? It became warm. It became dry. And because of this, the life became better in a way. Before it was only cold or dry, but environment started changing during this time. Environment became better and it became possible for human beings to move from place to place. When during this storage, move from place to place. And that is how the new era began. New era began with the different possibilities started developing slowly. Okay. Also, we find some of the archaeological evidence. Some of the case studies shows. Archaeological means trying to find out by digging and extracting from the underground and trying to have the scientific proof that this was existing during those days. That is called archaeological evidence. Okay, archaeological studies means to find out what was happening during those days. Okay, so flint blades were used as an arrow, for bow and arrow for hunting basically. Okay, so flint blades they started using that time. That is what archaeological evidence tells us. Also, these flint blades were fitted where in the wood, a stick, for what? For cutting purposes. Okay, this is what archaeological evidence tells about those days. Yes, students, human beings, what they were doing those days, they were basically food gatherers. They used to gather food from the forest and live their life. But slowly, by and by, what happened? They started learning cultivation. They started cultivation of crops, different crops, food items. Okay, but as time passed by, they started taming animals also, rearing the animals, goats, cattle, sheep, and all this for different purposes. Okay, milk purposes, meat purposes, skin for wearing and all. Okay, that is what the Stone Age is all about. Now we are going to see features of the Mesolithic period. What are the characteristics? First one is humans learn to make better tools. Better tools they started making. Tools were more delicate as compared to the tools of Paleolithic age. Paleolithic age tools were different and Mesolithic tools were different. This time it was more delicate. Okay, quite better than the previous one. Okay, and maybe those tools were used for different purpose, hunting, cutting, and other purposes. Flake tools used such as scrapers and knives. They started making different knives, the stones and all, for maybe different purposes, for cutting purposes, for other purposes. Smaller and sharper tools called microliths. What is this microliths? Smaller and sharper tools. Small tools and sharp ones for the different purpose. Okay, students, we have finished the Mesolithic period. Now we are going to see the Neolithic period in a gist. You will study better about this in the next chapter. Neolithic period began when 8000 to 4000 BCE. And Neolithic, neo means new in Greek. You can look at this. Neo means new in Greek. Okay, and this is the last period of Stone Age, when 8000 to 4000 BCE. So dear students, I have completed Mesolithic and Neolithic period, or Mesolithic and Neolithic period. Okay, have a good day, keep learning, keep becoming more innovative in your life, and that is how we can learn and enjoy our studies. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much.